In a typical circuit table, many of the columns will be filled with the same values. Here are some examples in an 8-way power and lighting board. In fact, just over half the columns in this table have a single value in them. To avoid you having to type in the same value repeatedly, CertSuite enables you to set defaults for these columns. Let's see that in action. First, build your circuit table. There are 2 lighting circuits where I know that the conductors are a different size to the rest. I can set these values individually by clicking on the cells in question, and then choosing from the drop-down menu. Having done that, I can now fill in the blanks in these 2 columns by choosing default values from the drop-down menus. Note that the values in the 2 lighting circuits remain unchanged, but all the surrounding blanks have been filled in, saving time and effort. I go on to fill in the other relevant columns with different values using the drop-down menus. The values in these columns are the same, but I could have pre-filled any of the cells with a different value if I had wanted, just as I did with the 2 lighting circuits. To complete the circuit table, the test results obviously need to be written up. But using the default option wherever I am able will speed things along. If I want to change any value, say the arc fault test button failed on circuit 7, I can do that by clicking on the relevant cell and using the drop-down menu. All that remains is to fill in the test results and the number of points. And once you have done that, it is job well done.